Racing just is started. We have showtime. Break quickly restart. Running by the release Balkan Lady Mi Bellamore rushing about the outside Valenzuela. Bull Session comes next. Gorgeous Chelsea. Dixie Windwell Santino's best is the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have showtime by Orlenka, and in second moving upon the outside is Balkan Lady. Valenzuela comes next. Mi Bella Amore running by the release Bull Session. Then comes Gorgeous Chelsea. Dixie Windwell Santino's best is still racing in less inside the Tres Octavo. Showtime enjoying a 3-4 of a length lead, and in second Balkan Lady moving upon the outside Valenzuela. Down the inside is Bull Session. Gorgeous Chelsea. Mi Bella Amore now rushing about the outside Santino's best, while Dixie Wind now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Showtime by about 3 lengths. Moving upon the outside now is Mi Bella Amore. Gorgeous Chelsea. Last 100 meters we have Showtime, followed by Mi Bella Amore on the outside. Showtime. Mi Bella Amore is on the outside, and finally it's Showtime. Mi Bella Amore. Then comes Gorgeous Chelsea, Bull Session, Balkan Lady.
Tingnan po natin ang pruweba ng ating unofficial winners. 3-horse Showtime from gate to wire nga po yan. Ito yan, 7, 23 and a half, 24 and a half, finishing at 27. Kung saan, total po niyan, 122 sa distansyang 1,300 meters. Let's take a look sa ating